Okay, let's just jump right in. We're about to take a journey so far into the future, it's going to challenge everything you think of as permanent. We're going 1 billion years from now. And this isn't science fiction, by the way. This is all based on solid scientific projections. So I want you to just picture where you are right now. Seriously, look around. The room you're in, the chair you're sitting on, even the air you're breathing. Now imagine that exact spot 1 billion years from today. What's left? And this is more than just some philosophical thought experiment, right? It's a really deep question about what anything really is. To really wrap your head around this number, 1 billion years? Think about this. The entire story of complex life on our planet, from the very first little bit of algae through the dinosaurs all the way to us, all of that fits comfortably inside this single stretch of time. So we're staring across a canyon of time that's just as big as the one separating us from, like, the very first single-celled life. And our first stop, well, it has to be home. You know, Earth. Because trust me, long before the stars even think about moving around, our own planet is going to be, well, completely unrecognizable. An alien world. So how does this happen? Well, it's a pretty simple but absolutely devastating chain reaction. Our sun, it's a star, and like a lot of stars, it just gets brighter as it gets older. In 1 billion years, that 10% increase in brightness is basically a death sentence for water on Earth. It kicks off what scientists call a runaway greenhouse effect. Our oceans, the place where all life began, they will literally boil away into the atmosphere and just get lost to space forever. And losing our oceans, that doesn't just mean no more beaches. It completely changes the air itself. You see, as all that water vapor shoots up into the atmosphere, the harsh radiation from the sun splits the water molecules, the H2O, apart. The hydrogen is super light, so it just floats off into space. But the oxygen, it's heavier, so it sticks around. The result is an atmosphere of scorching, superheated steam completely choked with free oxygen. Yeah, so much oxygen, it would actually be poisonous for us. So the picture that starts to form is just bizarre, truly alien. You'd look up, and the moon would actually seem smaller in the sky because it's been drifting away from us this whole time. And the days, they'd feel endless. We're talking 30, maybe 40 hours long, since Earth's spin is slowly slowing down. The ground itself would be rusty red because all that extra oxygen in the air is literally rusting the rocks. But life is stubborn. It might not be totally gone. Deep underground, shielded from all that heat, you might find these tiny microbes, these extremophiles, just holding on,